Was it okay? Yeah. September. Okay.
It's Jeff's fault, you know.
Yeah, it's just okay. Hello, nice to see you guys. We are here at the Zimbra Global Partner Summit in Barcelona. Today with me are Matthias Kunz, Zimbra Senior Territory Manager in EMEA, and Luis Pereira, Zimbra Sales Engineer, Senior Sales Engineer in the EMEA. It's really nice to see you here, and thank you for coming, and thank you for finding time to talk with us. Okay, we have a few questions I would like to ask you, and probably our customers in Poland also would like to ask you as well about this new things about Zimbra. And first of all, I would like to ask you, according to you, what are the most important upcoming changes in Zimbra that users should know about?
Oh, thank you for asking us that question, because it's something that is really, for me, being in sales, very important to have a native mobile app. Mm-hmm. I'm using apps all the time, so for me it makes a big difference. So that's for me the number one. I don't know if you want to talk about the other two.
Yeah, so I mean, apart from the mobile app, which that's one, the upcoming as well is the mail recall feature that has been asked for quite some time and finally is committed. And the third is we are making a huge, I mean, apart from the other features, but the multi-factor authentication as well. Yeah. So that we are putting a lot of a true native MFA and 2FA. Mm-hmm. And of course, there are improvements with the performance on the modern UI and backups. So a lot of changes come.
Yeah, those you mentioned are very important. I'm convinced for our customers. Okay, so my second question is about has something to do with security issues, because in European countries now it's very important factor. I mean, it's cybersecurity regulations, and Poland has recently introduced NIS2 regulation. And how do you assess whether Zimbra is suitable for meeting these requirements now and soon?
So in terms of, let's say, data compliance, like security frameworks, I mean, as a solution, we don't really, we comply with the GDPR aspect, but our BSPs and customers, they get to choose where data is kept and have control of the data. Yep. So it's about where the local laws comply with the data. So yes, customer and partner has to make sure that they have the necessary framework to put where the customer's data is. As a solution we just provide. It's where our main, it's where we have our data sovereignty.
Yeah, of course.
Where data resides. So yeah, I believe that this is our main solution that we give. And this is why many customers choose us.
We can see that too. Okay, looking back to the past year, which new features in the Zimbra product are you the most proud of?
I think for me it's the modern UI.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Because it's so much more appealing to customers, and it's modern.
Yeah.
It's very performing, and that's personally for me. Don't know for you, Luis.
Well, I agree. I mean, the last few years, the modern UI definitely has improved.
Yeah, it changed a lot.
Our product team invested a lot. The company put a lot of effort. I mean, there had been always choosing between the classic and the modern, and definitely the modern in the last patch release. Performance now is selling. Yeah, in terms of it's 92% faster. Yeah. We are adding all the features from the classic over to the modern. But no, for me, it's modern is good. But the backup.
Yeah, definitely.
The backup and also the myself.
Yeah.
Apart from the MFA, but we are pretty supportive invest. So the backup again, his data is last and least that we have a real-time backup strategy for the application.
So quite a lot of changes, quite a lot of improvements for the last year. We also can see that. Okay, so the last question. Why do you think customers should choose Zimbra instead of other solutions?
I think picking up on what Luis just said, it's about data sovereignty, really, but also freedom of choice. Customers want to have a choice. They want to choose what they want to integrate with. They want to choose what software they want to use.
Yeah.
On top of the email, they have already an existing application which they want to integrate, which a closed source system that's when they're locked in will not be able to provide. So for me, it's that freedom of choice, data sovereignty for sure, and flexibility, security that goes with it.
That's the matter. So it's that with the data sovereignty, which we are now. We have always played in a business on data control, low total cost of ownership, and working with. I mean, we are not vendor locked in.
Yes.
So that's one of the main reasons.
Yeah, there's quite nice arguments to choose Zimbra. So quite a lot of news, quite a lot of good news first of all for our customers. So thank you very much for our conversation, for your talk.
Thank you.
And so have a nice and safe journey back to your home. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thanks.